Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I want to share my knowledge. Since 3-4 hours I am trying to repair this microwave. Yeah, I have checked diode and capacitor, magnetron, yeah, all and the PCB board, everything I have checked, and finally I have thought its problem is the front panel. But front panels I have checked, panel all are okay. Then finally I have found the problem. See, if I open the door, this door switch, okay, I'll show you. And this door show, okay, now it's open. Okay, if I close the door, it should be like this close. Yeah, so I close the door. Okay, I have closed the door. Now should be this door switch should be off, right? Close, but it's not closed. See, if I press myself, then it's closing. See, this is a door switch. See, now should be it's closed, but it's not closed, it's open. If I press myself here, close, open, close, open, but it should be closed by door. Yeah, so it was the problem. Yeah, okay, I'll fix it, then bit will be back. And this is the switch. Hi dear bears, I put the plastic like this plastic. I put the plug behind this head. So now it's, I have seen if I close, its door is closing properly. Yeah. If you close now, this, yeah, switch is, see, this switch is now closed properly. Now let's see how is it. Okay, I put the water. Let's try 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, bid will be back.